How to set password on Google Drive file or folder. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, head over to your Google Drive. Make sure that you are signed in. Tap on the new bubble and click on Google Forms. Right after in here, in the first untitled form, go ahead and type in encrypted or encrypted by password. In the untitled questions, you can type in enter password or write a password. Make sure that it is set on short answer. At the bottom, toggle on required. Then tap on the three dot icon. Click on response validation. Instead of number, switch into text. Now in the text icon, go ahead and enter the password of the file or the folder. For an example, I've typed in Lion King. For the error text, you can type in wrong password or invalid password. Next step, head over to settings. Drop down the icon of presentation. Scroll down and tap on the edit button next to confirmation message. Here you can type in thank you or welcome. Then just paste the link of the file over here. Tap on save. Now your file and folder is ready to be shared or added into a folder. You can send it via email. Now if you tap on preview, you will find something like this, or the user will find something like this. They need to enter the password. If they have entered the wrong password, it will notify wrong password. Now let's go ahead and enter the correct password, then tap on submit. In that case, they will get the access to the link of the file. So that is how you can set a password on Google Drive file or folder. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.